naghahanap kayo ng legit at authentic na Korean food, itong Zubaji Premium Restaurant yung natikman ko na pinaka-okay. Dito lang siya matatagpuan sa Poblacion, Makati, Don Pedro, corner General Luna Street. Ambience is super nice. We went at 11 a.m. para wala pa masyadong tao. Gamjatang is a spicy Korean pork bone soup. Very comforting itong dish na to, pero if you're not into spicy food, pwede namang i-request na pabawasan. This is not the typical Korean food na ino-order namin sa labas. Buti na lang, very helpful ang staff. Tinuruan kami kung paano kainin ito. Very hearty ang dish na to, deep ang flavor, thick ang soup, and maraming veggies. They have wasabi dipping sauce for the meat and sobrang bagay. Nabawasan namin yung spice, pero naanghangan pa rin si Hobby. Pero for me, saktong-sakto lang. Fall off the bones yung meat, super tender. Only refill pa itong soup ng gamjatang, kaya super sulit. Siyempre, hindi kumpleto ang Korean food trip namin kung wala ang frozen samgyeopsal. It comes with unlimited side dishes na nilulook forward ko kapag Korean restaurant. They have the best kimchi for me, iba-ibang klase, not too sour, manamis-namis, and hindi masyadong pungent. Scallion salad, onion soup. Super love ko itong steamed egg nila. Not sure lang kung okra to, pero ang sarap nito, ang crunchy. Meron ding marinated quailed eggs and lettuce, only lahat ng side dishes. For the frozen meat, yung staff na usually yung nagluluto. At pwede rin naman kayo yung magluto if you want. At sa Zubaji ko lang nalaman na fina-fry pala minsan ng kimchi. Actually, nung natikman ko, mas type ko yung ganitong niluluto. Gusto ko pa yung pagkakaluto ng staff ng samgyeopsal namin. Ang lambot nito at ang ganda ng quality ng meat. Time to assemble. Very fresh yung mga lettuce nila and gustong-gusto ko yung essence nitong mint leaf na to. For the sauce, ang nilagay ko is samjang and yung sesame oil. Great quality of meat. Super enjoy ako. Bet na bet ko talaga itong fried kimchi nila. Best kimchi that I've ever tried. Appreciate ko rin na may bone bin sila para malinis. Craving for a yummy Korean food sa Poblacion lang oh.